Hello?
Okay, sir.
Can, can anybody
Okay,
tell
sir.
anybody tell me what we discussed in last class? Hmm? What we discussed
Regarding mail class,
regarding where class? Apart from that, case statement also, case and decode statements also we discussed it, right?
yes, sir, yes, sir.
Uh, can anybody tell me what is the difference between case and decode? Which cases decode cannot work? Otherwise, in which case decode only will work? Decode will work. See, for every case, we will have multiple options. But which one we need to write, that we have to choose ourselves. Okay. Now tell me, what is the difference between case and decode? Decode will work on only equal cases, right? Equal cases and single condition only. It cannot accept multiple cases, multiple statements, and it cannot access other than equal operators. Correct, right? Now, today we'll discuss about group by. Okay. Can we start group by or still required any repetition or anything in the where class? Please respond anybody at least. Which one I need to go for? Whether I need to repeat where class or can I start group by class? Okay. Okay. I'm having employee data. Okay. Just one question. Can anybody tell me how I will choose the whoever getting commission? Or at least one question, one query you can tell me. How I will choose whoever getting the commission. Let's start from EMP. Yeah, where commission column.
Sir, I'm unable to see your screen, sir.
Okay, no problem. Just time you can tell me, right, how data is there in employee table. Okay, commission is not on. Excellent. Yeah, now I'm getting the whoever having the commissions. Okay, just one question only I will repeat today. Okay, next we'll start with the group by class. Okay, okay here one more question. I need employee means sum of the salary for the department number 10. Okay, or I need salary sum of salary department number 30. How I can write? Right, aggregate functions, right? Any function. Okay, I need 30th department average salary. Just you can tell me any one how I can get. Select AVG of sal.
where the
Yeah. Okay. Where the department number equal to 30, right? Now I will get
yes,
now I will get the average salary of 30th department. Okay. There are lot of digits are there. I need to make round. How I can do
loan down.
round off? Can I mention two? Okay. So now I am getting the average salary of the 30th department. Okay. Now I need departmental wide. See here I can filter for 30th department. But if I required all the departments average salary, okay, how I can get?
Where we see
Yeah. See, if I am doing a round of average salary means what we will get? What we will get? We will get one entire employees. Actually, employee table having 14 records. All 14 records average will get, right. Okay. But I don't want departmental wide. So that time, actually, we need to make the group, all the each department into one group. Okay. The name itself indicates the group. We are grouping the some one field. Okay. So group department number. Okay, you can get the departmental wide. Okay. If the column required in the select statement means you can get that one. Okay. This is the syntax of that one. Okay. We need to specify the grouped column along with the uh, what we can say that function name called aggregate function. Okay. You are getting right. Even with
sir, in that query we have
yeah, tell me in that query we have
need to see department name.
department number. Yeah, we'll see.
We want to see
Yeah, DPT name.
name please.
Okay. Department name is not is there in the employee table. We don't have a department name, right? Okay. Select star from DPT table. Okay. Here we are having that we can discuss in joins. Okay. Oh, I one day I have discussed that department name. How we can write that one, right? By using the hardcoded values and all. Okay. That yeah, you can tell me anybody at least. See, one more thing here we cannot specify in the select statement if we are not using if we are not having in the group by class. Okay. See, employee table is having this many number of columns: employee number, e-name, job, manager, hire date, salary, commission, department number. Okay. We can specify whatever we are mentioned in the group by class. Otherwise we cannot fetch the records here. Okay. Even if you want you can get the department numbers without uh, aggregate function also. Means if we are not specifying the aggregate columns means you will get the unique values. One of the way to select the unique values in the table by using group by, actually we are having one more keyword called department number. Okay. I will show you. There are Means star means we are having this many number of records, right? May I know the unique DPT number? I need unique department number. How I will get? I will use distinct keyword. Distinct, you know, right? Keyword. What is that? Distinct means unique value. English meaning itself same, right? You will get the distinct keyword. So you will get the unique values. Another way is we can get the department number values by using the group by class. Just selecting the specified grouped column. We can get the unique values of the particular column. Okay. You are getting or not? That's why I have not specified on that day distinct keyword. We can get multiple ways. This is also one of the way. By using group by class, we can get the unique values. Now I need department wide. How many people are there? How I will get? Which aggregate function I need to use? Can anybody tell me? Hmm? I need count of each department. How I will? How I can get? Just now you got average salary of each department, right? Now I need each departmental wide count. Can I use simply count star? So you will get the count. 10th department you are having this three. 30th department 6 members are there. 20th department 5 members. Total how many members are there? 14 members are there. Okay. You are getting or not? If you want, you can apply n number of aggregate functions on that specified group. Okay. If you want in the same query, you can mention the average salary, sum of salary. Okay. What you can say?
No, no, recording is not this.
Recording. I have started the recording. It's already in recording. Okay. You can you can add n number of aggregate functions in the yeah, for the specified group. Okay. We can get anything. Average, sal, this one, max of sal, min of sal. Okay, all aggregate functions will work. Okay, if you want, you can apply round. But one thing here is you cannot add one more column. If you are adding one more column means that group will get changed. It is not the departmental wide. We can specify other column also. Means that group is different. Okay. If you are specifying the group by department number means this is the unique case of department number. If you are even you can specify n number of columns also, but same number of columns it will group. Okay, it will make unique. That is the group by function. Is it clear? Clear or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can I go ahead? Okay. Now I'm having three departments in that. Okay, counts are like this. I need which departments are having more than or equal to 5 count. Only those departments details I need. How I can write? Okay. For that we need to use the having class. Okay, that is the use. Hello, yeah, yeah, tell me. Yes, sir. See, if you are filtering here itself means now, is it for anybody, all the people, or only for me, Sada only? Hello, Pavan, Shravani, is it for you also or only for Sada? I guess today network is fine. Okay, Sada, you can check your
As
side.
of now, okay, sir.
Okay, okay, yeah, where we are? See, I am having department numbers like this. Okay, but I need which department is having more than or equal to 5 count. Okay, those department details I need. How I can get? Okay, one thing to filter we are having which one where class, right? If I am applying the where class means how it will work before making the group it will work if you are applying the where class. Okay, so there is no use with that. I need after grouping which departments are having more than or equal to 5, those department details only I need. So that time we have to go with having class. Okay, having, I will specify the syntax also. Okay, count of star. Okay, less than or greater than or equal to 5. Okay, now I will get the only which department is having more than or equal to 5 means count, only those details only will get. Okay, this having means after making the group to filter the data. Okay, if we want to data after grouping the filter, after grouping the records, if you want to make the group filter, that time you will go with the having okay, having class. For having class you need to specify the not the direct condition, you have to specify the aggregation value. Okay, here count star means what? Here aggregated value, right? You need to specify the aggregated value in this case. Are you getting or not? I will tell you one more example. Okay, I will. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Somebody is asking one more something. Tell me. Okay. Now I will tell you one more example without asking anything. Okay. I need employee details. Okay. By grouping. Okay. Sum of salary is more than 5,000. Okay. Group by department number having, so which function we need to specify? Aggregate function in the having class. Otherwise, we won't get. Okay. Sum of salary. Okay. Greater than or equal to 2,000. Okay. Can I mention like that? These are all the departments we are having sum of salary more than 2,000. If you want, we can specify here. I think we are getting all the record. I can specify 9,000. Okay. So that our meaning it will make, at least it will make sense. Okay. See, we are doing the group by, after group by whatever we are having the aggregated value, you want to do filter on that means you have to use the having class. You are getting or not? Even if you want, you can add n number of conditions also here as well. Okay. See, here you are getting sum of salary. But if you want, you can mention average salary also. Average salary more than 2000 means which what are all the departments we are having more than 2000. These two departments are having more than 2000 average salary. See, no matter whatever you are fetching the records from the table, whatever you are using in the having class, you are doing group by just with these columns. No matter which aggregate function you are using in the select class, which function you are using in the having class. But actual syntax should be having should have one aggregated value. Okay. You need to specify the column which field you need to group. Okay. You can fetch anything here. Okay. You can fetch here average of salary, min of salary, max of salary, everything you can get here. Okay. Where I did mistake, min of salary, max of salary, average, AVG. Okay, you will get everything. This will work, right? You are doing the group by on departmental wide. You are fetching the average sum of salary, average salary, min of salary, anything you can fetch from the with this group by departmental wide, departmental wide after specifying the uh, your condition. Okay, after grouping the records, if you want to apply any filter, you have to use having. Okay, you are getting or not? Okay, now I will ask one more question. Now I need department details, uh, max of salary, which department is having max salary more than 3000. Only that details I need. How I can use? How I can write the query?
Salary greater than
Yeah. Where? Here itself, right? Yeah. Max of salary more than 3000. Then you will get the which department is having more than 3000 maximum salary. Those details only will get. If you want to check, you can check here as here itself without doing the filter. See here, max salary is how much? 2008 for 850. But I need departmental wide more than 3000 max salary. Only those details only will give. We want to get means we can use the you can apply the filter in the having class along with the aggregate function. You are clear, right? Group by and having. These three things very important. Where class, group by, having rarely we will get. Okay? This this syntax will get rare actually. But this group by and where class is mandatory. Now I will ask one more thing. Okay? Now I need without using having class, can I get salary more than 3000 maximum salary departmental wide, still we can get that one without using the having class also we can get, but there is a limitations. That's okay, but still for this table we can get that one. Can anybody try that one? Why I am asking here, only we are getting the max of salary, not the average or sum. If I want to check with the average salary or sum of salary or count star means, I cannot rewrite that one. Definitely 100% I have to use having class only. But min and for min and max values we can get without having also. Just you can think and anybody answer that one. If, how I can get that one? Avan, Shravani, please respond. Hmm? Can I apply filter here itself? Where salary more than 3,000? Still I'm getting same right? Greater or equal to right? Still I'm getting same result right? Say what it matches internally. Can anybody guess that one? See, maximum salary means it's a employee salary only, right? If I am filtering here itself means no need to group also for that. Where class after applying the where class, after applying the filter only group by will happen. This is the execution flow. First, okay, here just think. The, for this for this one only I asked this question. Okay, execution sequence will be first, even if you are specifying the this everything, this will execute actually late. First execution will be from class. Okay, from class, if we are joining multiple records multiple tables means that I will discuss in joins. Okay, uh, if we are joining multiple columns means on classes will execute after the from class. After that we are, if we are having the any filters means it will apply the filters. After that it will filter the group by. After that if we are having having class. After that if we have order by I will explain now. Okay, after this topic I will tell that one. Okay, after that order by class will work. That is the execution flow in the for the select statement. Okay, as of now I have not discussed these things. How, which statement first it will, from class is different statement, where class is a different statement, group by is different statement, having is different statement, order by is different statements, right? For the same requirement. But this is a stepwise it will execute actually. Whatever we are selecting that will take last. Okay, this is no matter whatever you are specifying, simply you can select the columns here is itself, doesn't matter that one. Okay, simply we can write sorry, first it will execute from class, after that where class, after that group by, after that having, after that order by. Order by we need to specify the columns. Okay, department id d, what we can say, department number, right? dpt. Okay, if we are specifying the order, by default it will take the ascending order. If you are specifying the descending order means it will take descending order. Okay, means I need 20th department first means simply I can use descending order of department number. You're understanding, right? Even order by class also you can able to understand now, right? See, our requirement is met or not. For it is for only sum of the backs of salary, but we cannot say this is average salary. Now if you want you can apply average salary also, that will work. Okay, average salary of more than 3,000 having only these two departments, this one. Okay, now you you come to know, right, which step is, what is the functionality of each step. Hello, hello, you are getting or not? What is the importance of each step? Can anybody repeat this one? What where class will do, what group by class will do, what having will do, what order by will do. Finally, it will execute the select of this statement. After executing of all these statements, okay, what where class do? Hmm? What where class can do? Comma 20, comma 30. Let's assume I am having millions of records, n number of departments. I need only in these departments only. So how I will use? Where department number ID, department number in 10, 20, 30. This is first I am doing the filter. I don't want all the departments. Just think of, we are having n number, millions of records. In that only I need these departments details only. Other department details I don't want anything. Okay, then you can specify the first, you can filter the before group by. Okay, which departments you need, that you can specify here itself. After that, you have to do grouping on which fields, that you can specify next. Okay, after that, if you want having any aggregated aggregated filters means, now that time you can go with the that aggregated function and specified condition. After that, you can apply the order by. Okay, it is giving the which one? Why I am not getting the records? Can anybody tell me? Hmm? What happened? Hmm? What happened? Yeah, we are getting right. Average salary is not more than 3,000, I guess. Average salary we are having, let's write. That's why it is getting. We are not fetching any records. Okay. Now we are having the records with average salary more than 2,000. Okay. Now we are getting. Okay. Order by what it will do? It will make, after fetching the records, everything, it will make the order in the specified order. Okay. If you want, you can specify one. Okay. One means it is the position of the column. Okay. Here, in which position you are selecting? First position, right? First position means what? Department number. Department number, you are making the ascending order. You will get the 10 and 20. If you are specifying the this one, okay, two descending order I will specify. Second column it will fetch. Okay, whatever we are doing, that it will make this one. If you want, you know that these things, position of the columns, you can specify any column position it will take. Okay, one, two, three, four, five. Right. This is the sorry. It will take order by class will take the position. Even it will take the case statement also. Okay. Even if you want here you can generate. Okay. Normally it won't allow to group by. Okay. But if you want to specify the department details also, then you need to write that case statement. That case statement here itself work. Okay. I can write dummy case statement. Case when 1 equal to 2, then 1 else 5. And is it correct? Case statement. Yeah. I want to specify the order by class also dynamically based upon the fields. Okay. Here I am using the when class, but normally we can specify the other case statement also. Okay. It will take. Can anybody tell me which on which field it is doing order by? Hmm? Hello? Which field it is doing order by? Yeah. See, I am doing I have given dummy condition. It cannot be 1 equal to 2, right? It will happen. It is dummy case. All the times it will go to else class only. Okay, it won't go to first column. It will take all the times third column descending order. Like this, it will work. You understood or not? Order by class. Hello? Madhav, Sada, Pavan, Shravani. Do you have any doubts in this one? Huh? Do you have any doubts in this complete statement? Select statement means it will include from class, where class, group by, having, order by. Okay? If you have any other doubts, you can tell me now itself. I will discuss. It's a very important. Huh? Ganesh, Madhav. Yeah. Are you clear? This select statement. If you are clear, I will start the joins. That's way. Otherwise, I will repeat. Okay. Sure. See, okay, before that, can anybody explain what is the execution flow in the select statement? What is the functionality of each statement? Can anybody explain? Pavan, Sada, anybody? Anyway, I will explain one more time. I will repeat. Ravani, can anybody explain this one? Just you can explain what you understood. What where class will do? Hmm? Okay, it's filter the based on filter the records based on the specified conditions. Okay, that you are clear. Now, what group by will do? It will group the specified columns. Okay, if you are specifying other column also means it will it will fetch same, right? It will group the same number of columns. What where class will do? Same way group by also. But where class what it will do? It will filter the records. Group by what it will do? It will group the specified columns. Now what having will do? It will check the aggregated filters. Okay, if you want to specify the aggregated filters, then you have to specify in the having class. Okay, what order by will do? It will make simply ascending or descending order, right? Just you can ignore this one. What order by will do? Order by will do based on the specified column. It will make the either ascending or descending. That's what functionality of order by class. Okay. Now here what I am giving, just I am giving one condition. Okay. If that specified condition, okay, equal to true, that time you have system should take the first column as the group by, sorry, order by, or second column as the sorry, third column as the order by descending order. That's what I want to mention in that one. That's why I'm using case statement, or you can specify anything. If you want, you can specify some of what we can say cell. Say it will work. Anything you can give. Okay, but that thing should be there here. Okay, if you don't want, if you don't have that one, even still it will calculate the sum of salary and it will do the order by. But no matter you are displaying or not, displaying nothing but simply it is showing to you only. Not much important of this statement. If you are inserting or this updating thing, that time it is the matter. Okay, displaying means for us it will show that one, but internally calculations will happen based on the your functions and this one. Now, can anybody tell me what is the syntax of select statement? Already I have explained everything, but I have not mentioned any syntax as of now. Maybe I can ignore this having class. Okay, maybe I can ignore order by class. Maybe I can ignore where class. Okay, if you want, if you ignore group by, what it will return? Can anybody tell me? If you are not specifying the group by class, if you are selecting the aggregated values on based on the columns, based on the grouping field, if you not specify the group by class, you will get the error. Okay, not a single group function. If you are not specifying this field also means that time it's fine. It will calculate for entire column. Okay, if you are not specifying any group by field, that time it will calculate for entire column, entire table. Not it is not for the departmental wide. Okay, if you are specifying departmental wide in the select statement, you should mention the group by. Okay, now you will get. Now you want to fetch the records only for the 10th and 20th department. 30th department you don't want. Okay, now we can specify in the where class. Simply you can specify the two departments. Now you are getting the 10th and 20th departments only. Now you want to specify the average salary, okay, more than 2000. Okay, here already 3000 is there. I can say more than 3000. I want to specify. Now you will fetch the having class. Now you will get average salary, right? Till that, what all the records are there? Max of salary, this one. Average salary is only 2000, right? 2175. Okay, you can specify 2500. Now you will fetch only single record. Even if you have multiple records in this case, means you can mention any. Okay, that it will make the either ascending or descending. By default, ascending order will take. If you want the descending order, you have to specify. Even though you are specifying ascending, it will work same. If you are not specifying that one also, by default it will make the ascending order only. But if you want to do descending order, that time you have to make descending order. Okay. Now you are clear, right? Are you clear? Okay. Syntax I will tell you. Syntax means first here select specified columns. Okay. Next, from class input tables. Okay. If you are using joins here means you need to specify the on class. Okay. On class. Next, group by class, group by fields. Which fields you want to make the group. Okay. Next, having what it will take input parameter having of aggregation function, right? Aggregate function here condition, right? Okay. Now order by column name, ascending order, descending order. Okay. You are clear, right? This is the syntax. On class means condition we have to specify. This is optional. Okay. Optional fields we can say we can show in the close brackets. Okay. Even order by class also optional. Group by when it is mandatory. If you are specifying the aggregate functions. Okay. Aggregate functions. That time it is the mandatory. Otherwise it is the optional. Okay. On condition let it be. Here we should have one more thing, where class, where condition, right? Okay, this is also, if you don't want any filters means it is also optional. Correct, right? Only mandatory things are, if you are not using multiple tables means this is also optional, not required. Specific input table is only one means mandatory thing is this one only, right? Even aggregated functions you don't want means specified columns, input table. This is the mandatory thing. Even you can get the records without all these classes also. But your requirement may not match, but you can get the data. Okay. Simply, if you are selecting all the records from, this is the mandatory things. Rest of the things not the mandatory things. Now everyone is clear, right? Syntax of select statement. Syntax select statement. Hello. Respond. Pawan Siravani Sadha. Syntax is clear, right? You can show the optional classes in closed brackets. Mandatory means you have to specify specifically. Okay. So I will pass in the chart. Where it is there. Now you can able to write that queries, right? Say yes or no. At least you understood little bit or not. I should get answer from everybody. Yes. Otherwise, I will repeat one more time. If you are okay, then only I can move further. Otherwise, I won't move because this should mandatory. That's why. If you know clearly this filter class and group by, then only I can whatever next I will tell, that will you can understand easily. Topics I can cover each day one topic, but you should clear with this one. That's what my intention. If you are clear, if you are if you can able to use this all the things, half of the interview get clear. Not half of the clear interview, almost 70% of the interview you will clear only with these things. Okay. Maximum logic implementation only with this one. You are clear or not? Hmm? I should get from everybody. Pawan, Shravan. Yeah. Shravani, you are clear? Hello? Not inactive. Okay. See, first, what from class will do? It will take the input tables. Okay. Input tables. If you want, you can specify n number of tables also. That I will, next topic will be the same. Okay. That I will explain. That is, that we can say where class. That we can say joins. That will see discuss. Okay. From class this one. First, we need to specify that one. Next, if you want to apply any filters, you can apply with this where class. If you want, you can apply n number of conditions here. Okay, here if you want only wherever whoever getting the commissions. Okay, how you will do? You want to calculate only whoever is getting the commissions. How you will get that one? Simply I can say commission is not null, right? I need to calculate the average, sum, minimum, everything. Only whoever is not getting the commission is not null. Means whoever getting the commissions. Only though for those only I need to calculate. That you can apply before making the group. Okay, group by which field you want to make the group, that you have to specify in the group by class. After that, if you want to apply any aggregated value filter, okay, see, if you want to, if you are giving simply if you are specifying the simply column name means it won't take as a input parameter. See, it will give the error. Aggregate, it should having class should aggregated value, invalid identifier. Okay, COMM, right? Not a group by expression. You should specify the aggregated value only. Any aggregated value, sum or average, anything at least you should specify. Okay. Then order by will give the anything, what whether you are, no matter whether you are selecting the columns or not, doesn't matter, but that column should be there in the table, it will take that one. Okay, if you want to specify ascending order, you can specify ascending order is ASC keyword is not mandatory. If you are specifying or not specifying, by default it will take ascending order. If you want to get the data in the descending order means you should specify the order as descending order. Okay, finally you can select the specified columns along with the aggregated value if you want. That is the complete statement of select statement. Now you are clear, right? Still you have any doubts in this case, just let me know. Okay, tomorrow onwards we'll go move fast. Fast means topics will cover day by day, each day one topic will cover. Why I am delaying this to only this select statement? I think it's a fifth class, I guess, right? Why? Because it is a very important. That's why I am spending a lot of time in here itself. Functions, okay, functions, statement, aggregate functions, built-in functions, all the things, and this select statement. Till this, okay, it is very important. After that, each day, each topic. Just one more important topic here. Next topic is joins. Okay, rest will be with the small topics. Each day, one topic. Everyone understand this arithmetic operator, relation operator, everything, right? This thing today only I have discussed. I told, right, already. What it will do? It will fetch the unique result. Okay, but unique will get only after executing everything. See, select statement when it will be when it will work, complete after result set, it will fetch the select values, right? Execution flow. Even distinct also, after making everything, you will get the distinct values. Except order by, all these three, all these four will execute first. After that, select statement will get. After that, this order by will execute. Execution order by will be the last execution statement. Okay. Now this is clear. Group by where class, having class is clear. Now TCL commit. Already we have discussed save and commit, right? What commit will do? Can anybody recollect that? Can anybody tell me what is commit? It will save the transaction into hard disk, right? Normally, if you are doing the DML operations means it will do in the buffer. Correct, right? Hello? If you are, yeah, if you are doing the DML operations, where it will do, normally it will work in commit buffer, right? If once you trigger the commit command, then only your changes will apply in the hard disk. Okay, means permanent storage. That is the commit. If you are doing in buffer, if you want to cancel the previous transactions, means rollback. Okay, means previous transaction. If you are not triggered commit command till that place, it will cancel the previous transactions. That is the functionality of rollback. Save point. These things we were not discussed, right, earlier. Actually, we can specify the uh, some points. The save point means, see, I have done some transactions, uh, means every 1 hour. Okay, let's assume bank. Okay, bank, what they will do, just for example telling, but actually in bank, each transaction, each commit will be there. Okay, that's the credit or debit, whatever it may be. Definitely this will be there. Save point, what it will do now, let's take example. Can anybody tell me how the any organization or any office, how files will arrange? See, today we have received 1,000 applications. We will place that thousand applications in one place. Next day, if you get 100 applications, that 100 records will store in one place. Okay. Next day, you will get one more 1,000 applications that you will place in one place. Okay, means you are specifying that specified day applications you are storing somewhere, means that point of time. Okay, you are saving the records. Uh, you are now you are understanding, right, that what is save point means. Today means till today EOD, I am saving the records in that place. Okay, now I can change my word day to time. Every 5 minutes I will specify the time. Okay, last previous 5 minutes time I will save one place, not in one place, I will save as a till that position. Okay, after that I will make some other changes. After that I will specify some other save point. Okay, if I made the delete till the here, see, I will tell you one example. Let star from T1. Okay, yeah, table is there. I am having two columns. Okay, now I will do the insert into T1 values 7 comma ABC. I will specify this, I will record. Okay, now I inserted the records. Now what I will do, I will fetch the, from where it will fetch. It will fetch from buffer only, right? Why? Because I have not triggered the commit command. That's why it will fetch the records from only buffer. First it will fetch the records into buffer from the hard disk. After that, any DML operations that will add from that place, it will fetch the records in the with the select statement. Okay, now I will do the rollback. What will, how many records I will fetch? Can anybody tell me? Rollback completed. Now I will fetch this one. Okay, I'm not getting the select this value. Means I have cancelled the previous DML operation. Okay, that's why I cannot able to fetch the records. Now I will insert the records. Okay, after that I will commit that one. Okay, now how many records you will get? I have not triggered commit command as of now. Okay, now how many records I will get? 7 records, right? Now I will trigger the commit command. Now this in hello. Now I can able to fetch the complete data. Even if you want to do rollback here, still I can able to execute that one. If you clear, I think, right? After triggering the commit, if you want to do, if you done any rollback also, it won't apply since it's already saved in the database. Okay, that's why you are able to this one. Now rollback and commit, you are clear, right? Hello. Now I will use the save point. Okay, sets save point within a transaction means I am setting the save point. You can take till that position only. Okay, I will use come as a syntax is simply save point name. You can mention that one. Rollback means roll back to that specified point only. Rest of the things will be saved still. Okay, I will use same table. I will specify the save points. Save point sp1. Okay. Now I am starting my position. Okay. Now you can select the select star from P1. Okay. How many records you are having? 7 records, right? Now I am doing the insert. Okay, now I will insert 8. Rest will be, you can ignore same. I will insert the records. I will insert one more record, 9. Okay, I have inserted. Now I will do the one delete operation also. Delete from T1. I need to specify the uh, where B column is null. Okay, means how I will write B is null. I am removing the all the null values is having in the B class. Okay, now what I will do? Now I will make the save point P2. Okay, now save point is executed. Now I will check, go and check the select star from T1. What I can get? I will get 1374789. Okay, why? Because already I am deleted the records till that one. Now what I will do? I will make this SP2 transactions. Okay, roll back to that specified save point. Okay, now I have done the rollback. Now go and check what will happen. What happened? Can anybody tell me? If I trigger before save point, I did this one deleted, right? Okay. If you are not specified this one, what happened earlier? It roll back till this one. These 2 records got inserted. After that, 3 records got deleted. These two things will not happen. Only I will fetch whatever is there before SP1. That only I should get, right. Now what I did, roll back up to specified point. Okay, that only that place it is making the rollback. Before that, whatever I have done, rest of the things it won't get execute. Now let's try one more time. You can execute after that SP2, right? 10. If you want, you can insert. Now select star from T1. Now I will make rollback only till that position. Now you are getting 8 records, right? Again I will make rollback. Now go and check how many records you'll fetch. Only this one. See, after SP2, these two records got inserted, but it's not applied because I have not. I made the rollback till that position. Okay. Now you can delete the records also. Delete from table where B equal to KNA. Okay. I will delete it. Now I will check the select star from T1. Okay. Only I am having 3 records. Even I will insert one few more records. Okay. Now I will fetch the all the 5 records, right? Again I executed the rollback. What, see what will happen. Okay, rollback completed. Now go and check the records in the select statement. How many records you are fetching? Still you can able to fetch the 6 records. Why? Because this deletion not happened because I have not I have done rollback till that position. Whatever you are doing, it can be, it won't take. Save point means it save till that position. Rest of the records, it will make the cancel. That you understood, right? Hello? Is there any doubt in the save point? Hmm? No. Clear, right? Can I continue or shall we close the class? Hmm? Okay. Okay. Tomorrow we'll connect 7. Okay? 7 to 8. Okay, mother. Thank you. I will share the today's class. Okay?